I'm about to have to load all of these up to my truck to take it to Matt's house for the dually build that we're about to start. With that being said, I'm not looking forward to loading all this up. So the UPS guy, you are a legend. I appreciate all the packages that you deliver because this is a lot of stuff and I get a lot of stuff like this on a daily basis. For everybody asking, where's the dually build? Where's the dually build? Where's the dually content? Well, we finally got a dually content. We have exactly 30 days to build this for Summer Trucking National or Summer National Trucking? Summer Trucking National. That's a weird name if you think about it. Summer Trucking National. Anyway, we got 30 days to build this. Exactly 30 days starting today. And also, my L5P over there just got new hostile wheels. So, whoa, watch it. So, my L5P just got new hostile wheels. So if you guys haven't checked it out, make sure you go check out that video as well. I have to repowder coat the spindle, some of the traction bar inserts, and after that, I'm pretty much good. But this dually build, I'll show you guys a little rendering right here. We gotta make this into that rendering. So we have our Rough Country 6-inch lift kit. Should we unbox the Rough Country lift today? No?
I'll save that for later.
All right. Well, I kind of wanted to see what was all in these boxes, but you guys are gonna have to wait because, well, once we unbox them, we gotta take them to Mondo's house, and it's just gonna be a pain for us. Yeah, we're gonna make things harder for us to package these up again. So we're just gonna leave them the way it is. That is a 6-inch Rough Country kit, and we did get the airbags from Rough Country as well. And if you guys didn't know, they started selling airbags, and as this becoming a tow pig, well, it's always been a tow pig, but it is still gonna be a tow pig even after the 5-inch lift. We're actually gonna be towing my truck and possibly even one other truck with this tow pig. So we're gonna need airbags. We wanted to test out Rough Country's new airbags to show you guys how good they work. And then we have a set of factory OEM tow mirrors that we're gonna be taking the reflectors, these off, and we're gonna put Boostautoparts switchback ones, and we have to paint the tow mirrors, so that's gonna be fun.
We're actually going to wrap these. This will stay black. We'll paint the Boost Auto switchbacks, and we're going to wrap these.
Wrap this part green.
These two pieces will be wrapped green. This will be all black.
Or are you gonna wrap it black, or are we gonna paint it?
No, we just won't leave it black.
Just gonna leave it?
Yeah, just leave it black.
Leave it textured?
Yeah.
We sure?
I'm sure.
Positive?
Yeah, we might.
All right.
Maybe we'll smooth it out. We'll see. We'll see how.
Because I think they look so much better when it's painted.
Painted?
I think so. I mean, look at Donnie's truck. Yeah, it was already black on a black truck, and even my truck and your truck, it was already a black truck.
So with the black wrap, she doesn't want to do anything that, she doesn't want to do like a gloss black or just a plain black. She wants to do something that has some type of like a camouflage or a design in it.
Well, that's gonna be expensive. But like my wrap.
Yeah.
That like the
almost like that. Just something that's not just a plain black. She doesn't want it to be plain black. And the only parts that are going to be black, I mean, after you go back and rewind it a couple seconds, look at the rendering, hit that pause button, study it a little bit. This will be black. We got to redo the mirrors.
Yeah, it's got blue in it.
So we're going to redo the mirrors. Bumper. Bye-bye.
He's selling them.
That's going to be flat black. That's coming from Rough Country.
Yeah, that's going to be like that textured.
It's going to be like a textured black, so I don't know, man. I think we'll have to.
Yeah, we'll have to see.
Call it when we get the bumper in here soon. So. But all this is going bye-bye today.
Yeah, that's what we're doing today, because he's got a buyer lined up for his bumper already.
So selling the bumper. I'm going to swap out the grill.
I like the factory grill, but he's gonna get some aftermarket grill with off-roading lights, which I am not a fan of, but it's his truck, so
we'll see. I mean, like, we'll see. Let me give me some time to do some more research. I might switch it up. When I had somebody make me an offer for the grill that was reasonable, I did not want to deal with painting it or wrapping it. I wanted to do like a whole chrome delete on the truck. We've taken most of the chrome off. You know, we're gonna paint these. So I just wanted to get rid of I figured the easiest way was just swap it out for a new grill.
I mean that makes sense too. All right, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. We got a lot to do. And what did you have to do about the rumbling? I forget what STT said. You know how it's loping a little bit? Your cam mod?
Yeah, so I'm waiting to hear back from motor ops. Yeah, so basically, when you let off the gas and you start slowing down and you get in the first gear and like, okay, the engine's like, okay, I'm done, I don't need any more fuel. When I went to Ultimate Call Out Challenge, I talked to Chris at Duramax Tuner about it.
Oh, okay.
And, you know, asked him from the emissions compliance side of it, do they see it? And he said, yes, we know what it is, we're aware of it. Talk with motor ops, have them fix your tunes.
Okay.
But it's the scaling, it's the fuel pressure regulator scaling. Basically, the valve is relaxing.
Okay.
But the lift pump is still sending fuel, it's still trying to force fuel. So when the valve is relaxed, like, all right, I don't need nothing.
But the fuel is still coming.
The fuel's still coming at a higher rate.
Yeah.
So that's why the truck starts to lope and surge a little bit. When we went to go do that recovery mission in Atlanta, and Devin rode with me, he was like, dude, my truck does the same thing.
Okay.
When he said it doesn't do it a lot when he's pulling, unloaded. He said his does it more when he's loaded and pulling versus unloaded. But he said it's the same exact thing. So I just gotta wait for the guys that motor ops to respond to and ask them to adjust the fuel pressure regulator scaling.
That was one issue that we were kind of running into. It's not hurting the truck or anything, right?
No, it won't affect the drivability of the truck under load, like under throttle. It doesn't affect anything. It's just the truck gets a little bit more gas when it's relaxed than what it should be. Yeah,
so the moment we picked up the truck after doing the CP3 conversion and then we loaded the motor ops CP3 conversion tuning, noticed that it was loping at lower speeds. We sent a couple of data logs and they didn't really see anything wrong with it. And the thing about EasyLink, it's tuned with motor ops through EasyLink module. And the thing about EasyLink is that once they've created a file, I mean, it's used by thousands of people with an LML with CP3 conversion. So they said they haven't had any issues with other people, but for some reason we're running into this issue. So they're gonna have to make that revision for this specific truck to fix it. But yeah, that loping's gonna be gone, so that way Matt won't be paranoid anymore because, I mean, it's PTSD. Matt, I went through a lot and I was there with him. This truck broke down 30 hours away from home. This is probably the worst possible outcome that we could have run into, and it's happened. I think we snapped the crank on the LML. That's scary. So he does not want to run into any of that again. So he just wants to make sure everything is good, make sure everything runs good, and everything is how it should be. Loping is gonna get fixed. Glad to know that it's not harmful to anything. One of these should be rough country tie rods, the upgraded tie rods. Maybe that one or that one. Could be that one. We'll look at some of the boxes. Nope, more mounts. Nope, that's a skid plate.
I guess we can always look up the part number. It should be on the box, right?
So that's the airbag stuff right there, right?
This one is like something to do with the airbags.
That is their cross member. I hope they shipped the tie rods.
I hope they did too. Airbags.
More airbags. Let's see the airbag. Show everybody. Give them a little sneak peek. Woo!
Not bad.
Nice.
RC logo on it.
There you go. Dude, that's awesome. We gotta come up with a special bracket because it's really weird how they do the airbags. It'll either fit a stock application or you have to measure the distance on the bump stop, I think. And so the odds of it just bolting on is really low. So we're gonna have to make a custom bracket to make it fit this truck. That's more stuff we gotta do for the crunch. I'm sure Stan can fabricate something real quick.
Now you got me curious whether or not they got the tie rod in.
You did order it, right?
Yeah.
Positive?
Positive. Didn't you get the email?
Dude, I get so many emails. I think I've gotten like 6 emails from Rough Country regarding this order.
Maybe they're still on the way then.
Okay. Possibly. So you found the tie rod? So these are the upgraded forged.
Yep.
Tie rod ends. Dang, that's beefy. Those are some thick rods. Damn. Holy cow.
Dude, that's bigger than like my Kelderman rods. That ain't no joke.
That's actually impressive.
Don't sleep on them Rough Country tie rods.
No, seriously. This is like, how much was it? Do you remember? Retail?
2 something.
2 something?
Yeah, they were like just a little over $200, I think.
Do you remember if these were cheaper than the PPE ones?
They were.
They were cheaper than PPE?
They were cheaper than PPE and cheaper than
Kryptonite. Because Kryptonite's like $360.
Yeah.
And I love Kryptonite. Kryptonite does have its benefits, right?
Because it has the replaceable.
Yep, Kryptonite, you can replace the outer ends can be replaceable, and the inner ends can be replaceable.
It's just a metal bar that
Yep.
they both screw into it.
Yep, and then they got really good warranty.
I'm pretty sure like
Rough Country does
this
too.
end fails.
Yeah.
You can call Rough Country and be like, hey, it broke or whatever, and they'll send you maybe just this piece
Yeah.
or just this piece, right? But I mean, at the price point that they're at,
Oh, you can't beat the price point at all.
it's not. I mean, this is not like. I can get like, you see the veins popping off.
Okay. Show off, show off. That's military strong.
It's not heavy, but I mean, it's a good 15, 20 pounds. I mean, it's legit.
Dang, that's actually,
It's legit.
that's stout.
It's legit, man. This is bigger than the Kelderman joints I got.
You want to turn your rock lights on and compare it next to your Kelderman?
All right, there's the Kelderman.
It's very similar, kind of. Dude, actually, it's really similar.
It's very similar, yeah.
They're almost about the same.
The Keldermans are round. They're a little narrower. I mean,
They're really all about the same. Kind of. They're
very similar in design, but I tell you that this end right here, where this black piece is a lot thicker than the end that's up there.
Okay.
I don't know if you can see that where it ties in and back there, but yeah.
So is that tie rod part of your 7 to 9 inch kit from Kelderman?
That one is, yes.
Okay. You don't have to like upgrade or purchase separately.
No, Kelderman sent me those.
Dude, I'm actually pretty impressed, especially with the price point. I don't think anybody can go wrong with those at all.
I can't wait to see what it feels like once we actually get this stuff on there.
What, were you leaking something?
No, we found another.
Oh, no, but you know, I get birds too, except I have birds' nests, right?
I have dead birds.
He's got dead birds. So are you daily driving the show truck for now?
I am.
Nice. That's not the show truck anymore. This is.
Yeah.
All right, bumper time.
Bumper time.
All right, well, we loaded up the bumper to Matt's vehicle because he's about to go sell it tomorrow with the seller. Well, he's the seller, with the buyer, because, well, we got a Rough Country bumper on the way. It's not here just yet, but it will be here. Don't worry, guys, we got plenty of dually content for you guys. I mean, this is gonna look nothing like the way it looks now. I mean, you got new cab lights, actually. Let's just say it's gonna be different. They're retrofitted white cab lights, but they're not gonna look anything like the cab lights that he's got now. I don't think anyone's ever done it just yet. Maybe, but we haven't seen too many people.
I haven't seen it, but
yeah,
apparently it's been done.
Okay, well, I haven't seen it either, and it's gonna look really good. I mean, we got plenty of stuff. I mean, I think the wrapping part gets me excited just because from white to that greenish color that you're gonna go for, I think it's gonna look really good. And I'll get some practice in too, you know?
Yeah.
Whenever you guys order the wrap, I feel like I could do this panel right here.
Just that panel?
Yeah, this panel looks easy. I say that now, but
that's also part of the reason taking all this stuff off.
Yeah.
To make it easier for when Lisa starts wrapping it. You know, we're also going to take the bed off. We're going to try to do it right. Lift the bed up, wrap the back wall and everything.
And do the POR 15, POR 15.
Yeah, POR 14.
POR 14.
2016. Don't get mad at me, guys.
Whatever it is.
Yeah, we're gonna get it right. Man.
Are we keeping the steps?
I don't want to.
You don't want to?
Nothing else is gonna be chrome on the truck anymore. So it's kind of like, why do you have chrome steps? So either you're gonna have to step really big to get into it, or maybe we'll get some of those rough country steps.
Yeah, I mean, might as well. We're doing everything rough country.
We're doing everything else rough country, like between rough country and hostile, you know, it's a whole nother bill, baby.
Make sure to hit that subscribe button because we got a lot of stuff coming, and also I am giving away the LLY when I hit 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. So if you guys want to know when the giveaway goes live, you guys better hit that subscribe button and stay tuned because we're getting pretty close. I think I just need like 13,000 more subscribers, so we're getting close. And after this crunch, I'll be rebuilding the LLY because the way it is now, I don't really want to give it to anybody because I want to rebuild the front end. I need to replace some injectors and do some maintenance on it, and then I feel better about giving it to somebody. So make sure to hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.